Hey, Mike. Hey, Mr. K. Yeah, you know who you are. You remember me, man. I hope you stumble across this video. Remember? Ain't no party like a Detroit pirate party, is there? Mr. K8. Now I got something to get off my chest. You know why? Just because I can. Just because, you know what, I'm still a clown. I'm the new clown in town. I'm the bozo of ham radio on YouTube. Aren't I, Mike? Remember when I got attacked? You know what, man? I had one sub. Myself. At least you didn't sub shame me like others have. Hey, man. Ain't no party like a Detroit party. Check it out, man. You know what, man? Whatever. You gonna do this? You gonna do that, Mike? Hey, Mike. Check it out, man. Maybe I had one sub then. But look, man. Look how a recent video did compared to my channel average. That's not bad, is it? And I'm a fucking clown, Mike. I'm a fucking clown. Why'd you have to attack me, man? You know what, man? There ain't no party like a Detroit party. Maybe I'll see you at 173, man.